Hello, if you wanna manage notifications on the HTC Desire 19 Plus, for the first you have to open settings, and now you have to go to the apps and notifications, click on the notifications, and as you can see there's a couple of options like on lock screen, also the notification dots, so we can just turn it off or on with the switcher. Of course there is also the default notification sound, so we can test all of them and click OK. And of course if you click here there will be notifications from application, and for example if you wanna turn off all of the notification comes from the Google Play Store, you use this switcher. And you can also do this from every application on your HTC Desire 19 Plus. So thank you for the watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.